Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Tuesday, December the 3rd, and the time is 5 a.m. GMT. So today we will be looking at the chart of the GDX. This is a 60 minutes chart here. So what we see here is the idea that from the $28.22 GDX goes down, and the the structure of the move to this low here at 26 can be counted as an impulse. So we got 1, 2, and then 3, which subdivides nicely into another 5 waves, and then this looks like a triangle. So we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending A here, and then from there we got a correction, right? A rally that is expected to hold below 28.22 for the downside. Now we can see right here that the current rally from this low looking like a 5 waves right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for that reason we can see a pullback to extend one more leg to the upside as far as the pullback stays above this X here, right, in the shorter cycle. But at the same time, if you take a look at this overall structure, now we notice here that this rally, this first leg, it looks like a 3 swing or a 3 waves, right? We got an ABC, which is telling us that for those who are bullish, the precious metals and GDX, it seems like the GDX has not really shown us an impulsive structure from the low so far. So far the first leg is clearly, it looks like a 3 swings to me. Okay, now you might say, can we count this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? But this is a very shallow swing to be counted as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I don't think that's a good count, right? And also another possibility perhaps can be with 1 here and then a flat ABC, expanded flat, but that one also is not a good count because we almost extends to the equal leg, 100% extension. So how can you have an expanded flat in which your B leg is so much higher, so much above the previous peak here, or the so much above the first swing? So that also doesn't look good. So it looks like the most likable path still seems to be that this is counted as a 3 swings, right? Which means that the GDX is still corrective so far, right? So that means this is still a correction or a corrective pattern, and then after this is complete, we can still extend lower again. All right, so WXY, it can go to 27.68 here, and then from here we can turn lower again. Now this is the area basically between 27.6 and 28.6. The WXY 100% extension. Okay, another alternate is going to be that this is a flat, so meaning we got a 3 A, 3 B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a flat is also a possibility, but in terms of a flat, we can even break above 28.22 if it is a flat, but still, even if it is a flat, that is still telling us is still corrective pattern, right? Flat is a corrective pattern, it's not becoming bullish, so it's still telling us that GDX might not be ready to finish this entire correction here from September the 5th, right? This entire correction might not be finished, and one of the reason is because this leg here is still only 3 waves so far, right? So a flat can basically correct this entire move, something like this, can do a bigger bounce, but then because of the 3 swings nature of this, again still can even see another leg lower afterwards. All right, so we can do a flat from here. We can also even do a flat from technically from here as well, one like an AB C type of move, but again, this one looks like a 3 swings here right now. So that's what we're looking for in the GDX. Expect further upside in the shorter cycle, but then if after we finish this corrective WXY sequence, then we should be finding sellers right at the extreme area, and then start to turn lower again. And considering that this is also looking like 5 waves from here. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe. And we are this week running a Cyber Week sale, so we have up to 60% off for any plan that we have. So I will put the link in the description of the video below, and see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day everyone.